today, about an hour ago, President tweets, "In speaking with some of the world's top business leaders, I asked what it is that would make business jobs even better than the U.S. Stop quarterly reporting and go to a 6-month system," said one. "That would allow greater flexibility and save money. I have asked the SEC to study." This is not a completely new idea for the markets. Back in June, Jamie Dimon, Warren Buffett wrote an op-ed for the Journal arguing that quarterly guidance should come to an end. This takes it to another step.
Yeah, forward quarterly guidance is very different than eliminating quarterly guidance and only going to twice a year.
Quarterly earnings.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. I think it's personally
not
ridiculous. I think it's ridiculous. You want more information, not less. Look, you're talking to somebody who doesn't think the SEC should actually exist, right? So what would companies do if they had no direction whatsoever? I would argue that companies that report more often would be given a higher multiple in the market compared to companies that do not, otherwise everything else being equal, right? Because you will want more information.
Well, then why have retailers stopped giving monthly comps? Why are some automakers no longer giving monthly?
Maybe there's such a thing as too short-term.
So there's an interesting question to look back and see what happened to their multiples when they stopped doing that. What happened to the volatility in their stocks when they stopped doing that? Look at Walmart, right? We don't get monthly guidance anymore. Bam, yesterday, boom, huge move because we haven't seen every step along the way what's happened there.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's a good debate to be had. There's long-term implications for jobs, maybe for investment, less share buybacks and dividends. It's something Wachtell, the law firm, brought up years ago. It's something that Hillary Clinton brought up when she was running for president. I don't say that to be partisan. I say it to show that President Trump doesn't necessarily follow a partisan line. She gave this big speech back at NYU Stern 3 years ago, called it quarterly capitalism as developed over recent decades, neither legally required nor economically sound. It's bad for business, bad for wages, and bad for our economy. Not necessarily an original thought.